You searched how to buy shares of Ivanhoe Electric Inc. Ivanhoe Electric is a company working in electrification and power infrastructure listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IE to locate Ivanhoe Electric Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the company page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm it's the correct listing. Check that the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker IE. Tap, buy, or trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow these steps yourself.